guess hi. I know I haven't filmed in a while yet. What the fuck? I know I haven't filmed in a while, and honestly, like, I enjoy filming and everything, even though it's for literally no one. I just haven't been like feeling good lately, so you know. But I'm here and I'm trying to do it. Yeah, and it's always like I say what kind of look I'm feeling, and then it's something completely different. But I actually want to do like a blue purpley look. At least I'm gonna try to do that, and for that I want to use the blue black palette again because I haven't been playing with that much. I honestly just used it once, I think. I kind of want to like test it out more, and I'm gonna use the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, right? So yeah, well, we're gonna see how that goes. Ignore my fucking hair. I think I want to start out with this little brush, and I think I want to dive into why am I talking like a robot? We will never know. I'm gonna go in right into Flourishing, into Flourishing, which is this shade right here. This, like, I don't know, it's like a deep teal, can you say that? I don't know. Yeah, gonna dip into Flourishing. Ooh, ooh. Gonna do the same on the other eye, and then like go in with an orange or something, like here. And then do like a purpley thing here. Maybe I'm onto something, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. This fucking sound again. Now I'm gonna take this fluffy brush and I'm gonna dip into this shade, I think, which is like a bright orange, or I don't know, and like put it up here. It itches a girl and I fucking hate it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I think I'm gonna actually use the purple. I'm just gonna put a base under it, which is the NYX Glitter Primer, even though I'm not gonna use glitter, I think. I'm not sure yet. But I'm just gonna hope that this does something. That's just water in there. And, ooh, okay. Gonna use this dark shade and try it. And the other eye. Oh god. Looks like shit already. Look at that. Look at that. It's horrible. What have I done? Guess that's fine for now. Now I'm gonna close this glitter glue and use a smaller brush. My hand looks like I've done it now. I'm gonna use this brush right here. So I'm gonna dip into Deceased. Guess that's cool. Now I'm gonna do an eyeliner, I think. Just a classic black one. And like pray that I don't fuck up too bad, because I will fuck up, but I don't know the level of fucked up yet, so we're gonna find out together. I'm actually gonna go off and do this off camera, so be right back. Okay, I know I look crazy and they're huge, they're not the same, and I think I fucked it up with this, but I'm still gonna continue and hope for the best. That's like you, that's like you. They're bumpy. They're large as fuck. They're not even like pointy. This thing is empty and I am fucked. But I'm gonna continue and hope for the best to come out of it. So I'm gonna use the Sephora. I never know. It's just an eye pencil to go like a Kajal, do you call it like that, and put it on the lower and the upper lash line and hope that I don't fuck anything up. Now I'm gonna put on mascara. I'm just gonna use the Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara from Essence. Then I'm gonna put lashes on them. I think I'm gonna just use the Ardell Ramy Lashes in 778. I'm gonna do that off camera as well, because I want to take pics later and I don't want to get out of battery. Well, I actually don't know if the lashes saved it, but I think a little bit. Like a little bit. I've seen worse, to be honest. I did worse, to be honest, so, you know. And I'm gonna put on lipstick now, and this is NYX Liquid Suede in the shade Oh Put It On. And I think it's like a really, really dark purple, almost black. And I think it's kind of fitting. So here we go. I guess this is the finished look. I know the eyeliner is like a little much and they're so uneven, like it's not even funny. But overall, if the eyeliner was a little better, I really, really like this look. I already have lipstick on my teeth, which is great. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And yeah, I don't know what to say. As always, sorry for my hair. My hair is total mess. Sorry for me, because I am too. But yeah, follow me on all my social medias. All gonna be linked down below in the description box. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave comments. Do you like this look? Do you hate it? Do you also think the liner's a little too intense? Or do you like it like that? You could also leave video ideas in the comments, what you guys want to see. And yeah, see you on the next one. Bye!